I didn't really vlog yesterday. Yesterday was a very chill day. We had to do laundry and stuff. So we got out really late. Went to Lautenbrunnen, and we saw like waterfalls, and there was like a short walk. We had lunch. We came back. So yesterday was a very chill day. Today we are going to Tiflis. We've taken 2 trains. It took us like almost 3 hours to reach here. We're going up through this train. It is like in a step format. It's not a straight train. This is a steps mein bani hui hai and it's going straight uphill. It's very steep. The car is quite different from the ones that we went to earlier. This has no seats, we're just standing. And it goes almost through the clouds. So you can't see anything after the point. Snowing. Snow. We already took 2 cable cars. Now we're taking the 3rd cable car. Up and it's snowing. Look at the view behind me. There are too many people. Woo! Woo! Yeah, bro. This is what I'm talking about. Now this is me, Hanika Arora, who's hijacked on my sister's thing, and she's never getting it back, girls. Because I am going to be vlogging from now on. You boom. Boom, boom, boom. Back to you. And nobody wants a vlog, bro. We're literally walking in ice. Ice is coming on our face. Our whole hair is covered in ice. Our whole jacket is covered in ice. Ice is literally going into our eyes. That's why we wore the sunglasses. It's fully snow. We're about to do the ice flyer. Guts देख रहे हो हमारे? Ice हो रही है पूरी. ये देखो, ये देखो. Full snowfall हो रही है और हम ice flyer करने जा रहे हैं. Good luck to us. On the ice flyer. सब लोग देखो. The ice is literally coming into our eyes. Oh, it's too good. Fall. Now we're going to the glacier caves. The glacier cave. The height is so low. It's almost touching my head. And it's too cold. And the feels that you're getting here. Cave is visible to us. The other half of it is too dangerous for anybody to go.
Usually it's something that moves.
Train from Heidelberg to Lausanne, and now we're here at Lausanne station. We have a catamaran cruise which is at 7 o'clock. Right now it's about 6:10, so we have to wait till then. Getting down at the Lausanne station, we have like a 10-minute walk for the cruise, and it is so damn cold. There's a little bit of drizzle with a lot of cold air blowing, and all of us are shivering. It's too cold to even speak. It's too cold. So we are here at the catamaran cruise.
And why?
Done with RA slots. We just cross this bridge and go through this den right here. inside a cave. And this is the waiting area. So now the thing is that we see this box right here and it says stop on request, and there's a gate right here. When we press this, it didn't open, so we thought we're stuck over here. We thought we were stuck over here, but then and we started pressing all those buttons. Now we realize that this gate opens only when the train comes. So this is an experience. So in the morning we went to Harish Lodge. After that we had to change our hotel from Mirangul to Lucerne. So we took like 3 trains. After we got down at the station, there was a long walk uphill, like there was a lot of stairs to come to the cathedral. Now we're here at the cathedral, and the view behind, we can overlook the whole city. And the cathedral is right behind me, if you can see it. The cathedral looks quite pretty too, but unfortunately we came quite late. The cathedral is closed, so we can't go inside, but we looked at it from the outside and we're overlooking the whole city.
It's a rich man's town. Luxury brands you will find here, and you might get to see a lot of Bollywood stars if they're shooting here. We've been told that Kareena and Sav have a chalet here, so whenever they come to Switzerland, they go to the chalet which is in Stade. That's okay.
Yeah. मतलब बहुत से अमीर वाली जगह पे आ गए हम. Bollywood movies are shot over here. So this is that town, Gstaad. So it's very pretty. Walk down a little and come to this lake over here. And we're having a little picnic of our own. Mummy, Papa.
Hi.
This is how we're celebrating Dad's birthday. Now we're going to Sanand. We're at the Sanand Bridge. This is where DDLJ was shot. Hello.
DDLJ. Shahrukh and Kajol were here in this bridge.
Under my skin, I got careless eyes to let you back in. What do I do?
So after we went to Sanand Bridge, it started to rain heavily. So we had to run from there. We sat on the station for a while. The station is also the DDLJ station. After that, now we are in this amazing train. This is a vintage train. These trains are very, very rare. So we didn't know if we could actually get it or not. But we were lucky enough. There are blowers in there. And it started to blow hot air. If it's getting cold outside, they're blowing hot air. So that was like something very unique I've seen for the first time happening in a train. So today we've come to Geneva. There's one really cool water fountain. It's like way up in the air. We have a little bit of time, so now we're going to the garden, sitting there. Now we're sitting on the giant wheel, getting the whole view of the city. Here at Garden Angeles, and this is a actual working clock, and it's made of flowers. We're in the tuk-tuk van. We're gonna start our tour in the city of Geneva. After our tuk-tuk ride, we've come to La Florence, which serves the best fondue in town.
Directly came home
because Hanika wasn't feeling well. Tomorrow we have a really long day, so we're relaxing as of now. But today we got up early, we took a few trains, and now we are here at Zurich. We checked in a hotel. Just taking this bus, we'll go to Rhine Falls and Black Forest, explore the area. Black Forest is actually where the cuckoo clocks are made. Black Forest was actually in Germany, which I didn't know. So we crossed the border and now we're in Germany. We're in a village inside Black Forest, and the river Titisee, the biggest artificial lakes that is created over here in the Black Forest. So they just gave us a small demonstration about the cuckoo clocks and its evolution, and the cuckoo clocks are so damn pretty. Like, look at them. To seeing the cuckoo clocks, we had lunch. So it was like breakfast in Switzerland and lunch in Germany. So that was cool. Now we're here by Lakeside and we're just chilling. We came out of Germany and we're back in Switzerland. So now we're here at Rhine Falls. Yes, Europe's biggest waterfall. Also gonna go on the boat and take a closer look of the Rhine Falls. Here at the boat, the Rhine Fall is right behind us. We'll go a little near it. Today's our last day. We're in the Lindt chocolate factory. So we're going for a chocolate tour with our audio guide. So we just got done with Lindt. Lindt was so good. We had so much chocolate. Oh my god, so much chocolate. And then we also shopped for a lot of chocolate. And it started to rain. So we're just wearing our jackets and walking through. We have a little bit of time left. Our flight is at like 10 p.m. So we still have a few hours to spare. So we might roam somewhere and explore a little bit of Zurich. So we were near the Zurich bridge and the churches for a while. Then we came back to our hotel and now we're off to the airport.